Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a video as promised in my last video, or maybe the one before. I did mention that I'm going to do a self-care video talking about all the self-care things that I've been doing to maintain my sanity throughout this quarantine. It has not been easy and I'm sure I'm not alone, sadly. I just realized I'm like, let me share some of these tips because I did make another video talking about dealing with depression and anxiety during quarantine, but I kind of found that that routine was no longer cutting it for me, so I had to amp it up. So this is what I'm doing now, so I thought I would share it with you guys. So with all that being said, guys, let's get right into the video. Alright, so the first one I want to talk about, I've been hearing about this all over YouTube, Instagram, Twitter. People have been raving about CBD oil for such a long time, and I've been meaning to try it. I just never got around to it, but honestly, I was in a really dark place. I was in desperate need for it. I just needed something to really boost my mental health and help me cope with my anxiety and depression. I decided to give CBD oil a try and I'm really happy with the results. So the one I got is from Pure Organics, the CBD hemp extracted CBD tincture. So CBD properties are known to help combat anxiety, ease aches and pains, reduce inflammation, and help regulate sleep. So this bottle is 30 milliliters and it has 2,000 milligrams of CBD in the entire bottle. Y'all, this is expensive. I'm not even gonna lie. It was like over $100, but it was worth it. I wish that I tried CBD oil from time. I honestly will say it's not a magic pill. Well, it's liquid. It's not a magic liquid where you just take it and all of a sudden like all your problems are gone and you no longer feel any type of anxiety or pain or depression, but it does ease it a lot. Mind you, I was experiencing overwhelming and tremendous anxiety. My anxiety basically goes through different phases in my life depending on what I'm going through at that specific time. So during this specific time, I was going through a lot. My anxiety was probably the highest I've ever experienced. And this CBD oil made a huge difference. If you do deal with moderate to mild anxiety, this would be great for you. Because I have times where my anxiety is mild or moderate and I wish I had tried it back then because I feel like it would have just eliminated it. But because I had severe anxiety, it did regulate it and just make it less intense, which I'm so thankful for. It just made it manageable. It worked, like it really did work. Like I'm so thankful because it was so expensive. I'm like, y'all, before I even ordered it, I had to let them know. I'm like, what's the refund policy? What's all that tea? The only reason I purchased this specific product was literally for my anxiety. So if it doesn't make a difference in my anxiety, what's the point of purchasing it, right? I take about 1 milliliter per day, and 1 milliliter contains about 68 milligrams of CBD. Y'all, this bottle's almost done. I'm not gonna lie, I would probably take it twice a day if it wasn't for the fact that it was so expensive. But your girl's not that rich yet, so we gonna have to wait for that. But honestly, if I had money, girl, I would buy like the 4,000 milligram one, which is even stronger because it really, really helped me. So I really recommend CBD oil, guys. All right, guys, so the second product I'm so excited about, y'all. This is a self massager. Like, who needs a man? This is going to massage you in all the right places, like your back, your arms, your thighs, like especially after working out when you're sore and you just need your muscles to loosen up and not be so tense and tight. You just literally press it. Yo, I'm about to fall asleep right now and just turn off this camera and end this video here. I purchased this off Amazon. It was super affordable. And you know what I like to do with this? I like to rub my entire back with olive oil mixed with a couple drops of peppermint oil. If y'all have never had a massage with a couple drops of peppermint oil, you have not had a massage. Anytime I was giving a massage or massaging myself or whatever, peppermint oil has to be involved. That is literally non-negotiable. Peppermint oil, massage, do it. I promise you, especially on your back. Whew, child. Girl, you ain't ready for that. You're not ready. Nah, you're not ready for it. I actually saw this tweet. I'm so annoying. I know I say this in every video. I saw this tweet. Basically said, practice your love languages on yourself. And I was like, yes, girl, yes. One of my strongest love languages is physical touch. I love being held and grabbed and kissed and touched and all that jazz. And one of the greatest ways to do that is give yourself a massage or take a nice long bath and oil your whole body after. You know, just have that relaxed feeling. So as cheesy as it sounds, girl, you better You better give yourself that massage. Everywhere's closed. You might as well. So the next product I'm going to talk about is zinc. I did mention this in my depression and anxiety video. So zinc is known to really help boost your mood and boost like your mental health in general. And it's also just good for your body. It's a really great supplement. So I do take 50 milligrams a day of zinc when I remember to take it. And also it's been shown to help with your immune system as well, which has been recommended during these times to protect your body with everything that the world is going through right now. I can't really say the word on YouTube, but y'all know what I'm talking about. So apparently this has been recommended for that too, to just help boost your immune system, and it also helps with your mental health and physical health as well. All right guys, so the next product is vitamin D. Y'all, vitamin D is so important to take, especially during these times, it being winter. I live in Toronto, so the sun is literally gone at like 5 p.m. That does affect your mental health a lot. Like vitamin D does help with mental health. There's studies that have shown that people with lower levels of vitamin D are more prone to depression. Vitamin D plays a huge role not only in your physical health, but also in your mental health. I've noticed a huge difference in my just day-to-day mood from taking vitamin D. So I do take vitamin D drops. They're from Genestra brands. They're just liquid drops. They're just easier for me to take. Honestly, if I could take all my supplements in the liquid form, I would just do that. That's something that I've been taking that has really been helping boost my mood, and also just, again, vitamin D helps with your immune system, and that can help protect you during these times as well. So the next one, this is actually for the ladies, especially if you suffer from cramps. Girl, I'm with you. Like, whew, my cramps are really bad, like really bad. I actually got this off of Amazon. It's like a heart-shaped heating pad. I have this terrible habit. As you guys can see, this water is literally from my last cycle. I boil water, I use it, and then I just leave it in there. I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to leave this just chilling with water in it, but... So yeah, you boil water, you put it in this, and you put it on your abdominal area. I don't know why the heart-shaped one just tends to work better for me. I've tried the rectangular shaped ones and it just, I don't know what it is. Just this heart-shaped one just hits the exact spot I need it to hit. Another trick that I do, I put a couple of drops of peppermint oil on my abdomen area, and then I put like a cloth in between because it does get pretty hot, especially if you just boiled a fresh batch of water. It does get pretty hot, and then I put the fabric or whatever it is in between, and then I put this on top. Heat and peppermint together, mind you guys, I get really bad cramps, makes a huge difference. So I would really recommend trying that. It's really great. And obviously, like, being in pain and not being comfortable on your period can also affect your mental health and make you feel more depressed and anxious and things like that. So I'd really recommend purchasing this heating pad. I bought this a long time ago, so I don't know if it's available on Amazon anymore, but I will check to see if I can find it or something similar. All right guys, so the next thing that I've been also taking is chamomile tea from Traditional Medicines. Chamomile tea really does help to relax you. It also helps with sleep problems. I do suffer from sleep issues. I've suffered from sleep issues for such a long time. Chamomile tea does help with making you feel a little bit more sleepy and relaxed, and helps you to just, you know, calm down. It's very relaxing. Like, I really love making myself a cup of tea, not right before bed, but a couple of hours before, because it does make you go to the bathroom a lot, which is super annoying to have to keep getting up in the middle of the night. But a couple of hours before bed, I make myself a cup of this bad guy, and yo, so relaxing, tastes so good. I just love chamomile. The next one is actually related to exercise. I know, like, I had to throw that in there. I'm sorry guys, but exercise really does make a huge difference in boosting your mood and your mental health. So I got these resistant bands off of Amazon, and I have been using them with my glute workouts and leg workouts and things like that. And that has actually really helped me boost my mood. I know it sounds so weird, but my booty is getting firm and popping, and just like, honestly, I don't know why I didn't do this before because obviously we can't go to the gym right now, but with the resistance bands, it just adds that extra push to your workouts. And this is only the light one, so there are two more. Yeah, the blue one is medium and the gray one is the heavy. So I'm only at the first level. I still have ways to go in terms of strength, and also just having something to do during these times, like having a schedule, working out really helps you stay on track and just stay healthy. All right guys, so last but not least, I have been taking ginger shots and antioxidant shots. So Honestly guys, a couple years back, I used to drink ginger regularly, like every single day. I would cut up ginger with lemon, boil it in hot water, and drink it with some honey every single day. When I tell you guys, my skin was popping, my body was popping, my like health, mental health, everything was just in a good space. Like ginger is such a good medicine, like it's so underrated. I purchased these ginger shots. It's actually ginger mixed with turmeric, so it's really anti-inflammatory. Like I mentioned guys, I do get cramps. That is due to a condition I have that is very highly inflammatory. So taking stuff like ginger and turmeric really helps to regulate my inflammation, and then I tend to not have as bad cramps that month. Ginger has also been shown through animal studies that it may have an effect on serotonin levels, which can in turn really help boost your mood. So ginger is just really great for your body, great for your mind, and so is turmeric. So together it's like a power shot, girl. Like I literally, ever since I've been taking this, like bloated wear, breakouts wear. They're kind of expensive, but honestly I thought about it. I'm like, when it comes to spending money on makeup or clothes, I'm like, I'll pay for it. Like I'll buy expensive makeup and expensive clothes so I can look good and feel good, right? But it's like, why won't you spend money on something that's gonna help your body internally? Like, girl, you better buy this. You have the money to buy it. Like it's actually so good for your body. And then also the antioxidant shot. Honestly, I prefer the taste of the antioxidant shot compared to the ginger turmeric one, but they both have great health benefits. Notice how like a lot of the things I'm mentioning are surrounding immune system. Since this lockdown, I've been very conscious and I've been doing my best to just try to use things that are gonna boost it and help protect my body. And so far I've been healthy as far as I know. Honestly, I've been investing in my physical health and I don't wanna stop after the lockdown is over. I just wanna invest in my body and my physical health. I'm getting older. I'm not a teenager anymore. I'm just at a point where I'm taking my health, my physical health and my mental health much more seriously than I ever have in my life. Alright guys, so that does bring me to the end of this video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them in the comment section. I will be sure to respond. I will be putting all the information to everything that I talked about in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. It really helps your girl out. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching Slay with Halham. I will see you in my next video.